never mind. Oh,
So hello guys, welcome to our channel Info Linker, and guys, today's video is based on a tutorial. So in this video I'm gonna show you that how you can make a free, attractive and professional intro for your channel. So you would not need anything for it, so just need your browser. So before starting our video, I would like to request you to subscribe my channel, and let's start our video. So first of all, type in browserpanzoid.com, and then as you can see, this is a home page of this website. So there is not more than 10 intros, so we will click on more creations, and then as you can see, there are 3 tabs: trending, top and latest. So we are on trending. So this website is mainly based on gaming intros and outros, but you can find decent intros and outros. So I will give you an example, as I will pick this intro found. So you just need to click it, left click. So there is an option open in clip maker, so click it and click it, and now we can edit it. So first of all, this intro is in 3D view, so we will need to turn it into 2D view. So click on the I button for it and click it, and now as you can see, so first of all I will play this intro. So yeah, it is nice, and music is available, but unfortunately I was not able to record my voice in the screen recording. That's why I am now recording voiceover. So guys, there are different tabs. So in this tab, basic settings, you can change the video resolution, frame rate and length of the intro. So length is approximately 12 seconds and frame rate is 30, and 1080p full HD resolution. So next thing we are going to edit is object. So we are going to edit the text of the intro, and you can name it same your channel. So I will type hello for an example. So type hello. Yeah, I'm just giving you an example, you can type any name. So let's see, now our intro is ready. So now I will tell you that how you can download your intro. First of all, we will go to the download tab, and there is a music tab. So in music tab you can also upload custom music and add it into your intro, but currently I am not adding, so you can add. So now go to the download tab, and as you can see, render mode is balanced. It means that your intro will be balanced, medium level quality, but you can also increase your quality, and you can also increase your render speed, but I will remain it on balanced. So just and there is also an option for format, so you can also render from different formats, but I will not change it. And now click start video render, and I will meet you after the video completes it render. So guys, as you can see, video is rendered and it is showing that download your video or return to editing. So obviously we are going to download our video, so let's click it, and as you can see, thank you for using Panzoid and your download is starting. So our download is completed. Now open, and I will show you your intro. It will be on in downloads menu, and open it just. Yeah, as you can see, your intro is ready. So guys, this is my video. If you liked it, then don't forget to click the thumbs up on this video and give a subscribe to this channel, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.